How to back up your WhatsApp chat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Open WhatsApp, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find all these options pop up. Click on Settings at the bottom, which is the last option. In Settings, you will find Chats. Click on Chats. Then scroll down. Click on Chat Backup. After that, you can select your Google account. If it's already selected, press on Backup at the top, which is in green color. Simply backup, and then all your messages, pictures, videos, voice messages will be backed up into your Google storage. This is how to back up your WhatsApp chat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.